Hello and welcome to ShoeBoxTech. Today is a really special day for me, it's like a dream come true, where I get to build a PC. Not just only a PC, but a PC along with my son, Zachary. He's 10, I'm 39, and it's going to be amazing. On the table laid down to you, we've got all the components. We've got motherboard, the ASUS Prime B450 Plus. Coupling that with the Ryzen 5 2600. Corsair power supply. These Corsair Vengeance DDR4 3200 MHz. This is M.2 drive. Crucial P1 100GB. Nobody? It's a video. It's a faithful now, say that. Okay, do you want to tell them about this?
Out the keyboard.
Yeah.
The lights off. Blue and red.
Blue and red.
And yeah.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah.
This is the main thing.
And then we got
Right, tell them about that.
a mouse with 6 buttons on. One there, two on the side, and then 2 on the left side. So yeah.
Perfect. Lights up as well.
Lights up.
So ASUS gaming keyboard and mouse. And a relatively modest graphics card to start off with. The Radeon RX 580 8GB. That should give us a little bit of bang for our buck. Make this somewhat of a budget build. It's all going in a Corsair R100 case. And this little beauty here, the HP 27X 140 MHz gaming display.
Not loud yet.
We won't get loud, I'll keep the voice down, yeah, definitely. And this is for QHD, so it should give us some 1440p gameplay. I can refresh rate, sorry guys. And then we can't do all this, our first joint build, my first ever build. About half decent to it. So let's get cracking.
What about this?
Cue the time lapse. That's for the a display port cable to the monitor. Plug everything in. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to ShoeBoxTech if you want to see more videos about budget tech and how we do things here on a shoestring. We've got other gadgets that you might, please like and comment. Here is a one-handed gaming keyboard that we've got. If you want to see a video on that. And we've got a simple RGB LED light strip that I'm going to install inside the case as well. So up and coming videos all the time.